How to use email marketing to sell your product. Figuring out how to be well known is one of the best ways to becoming successful. By far, the leading way you can become successful with any website is through email marketing. If you want to learn how to successfully market through email, then this video is going to help you do just that. Pick an audience to target. After you have established a small reader base, try to get them to spread the word to their friends. Remember to have a subscribe link inside your email. Hopefully, your customers will pass it to their friends that have similar interests on the products that you offer. This way your base will grow organically. Follow up with contacts you meet at trade shows. Collect people's phone numbers when they stop by your table and call them within a couple of weeks of meeting them. Use the follow-up call to check in with your contact and ask him if he would like to receive your marketing newsletter by email. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. If you run out of ideas for your email marketing campaign, try allowing your customers to assist you. Do things like write down questions that you receive from customers. Then when you go to send the next email, you have a topic. Make sure to include the customer's name for credit too. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. Make sure that your email subscribers know exactly what to expect from you. An excellent way to do this is to make your first email to every new subscriber a default informational message. You should lay out what sort of content you intend to send them, and also indicate the frequency of messages they can expect from you. Be prepared to respond to emails if your email marketing is done properly. If you take too long to respond, you may miss a bunch of opportunities. If you provide good content that is free, be prepared to get responses to it from your recipients. You must be prepared and available as much as you can. To make a clear and memorable impact with every email, keep your marketing messages short and sweet. Every email should have a very clear message and should only include information, media and links that are completely relevant to that message. A succinct but convincing email will be easier for your readers to absorb than a windy message that tries to force too many points. Using the knowledge that you gained here, you now have a better idea of what it truly takes to become successful. Just be sure that all the knowledge you gained today sunk into your brain, and you can apply all that is available in this video to achieve success. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.